After centuries of observing biological processes and attempting, and eventually succeeding to explain them, we have gained understanding as to how our genetic material works. DNA. It is the molecule of life, and it encodes for who we are, how we perform intrinsic life processes, such as breathing and metabolism, and it is even what drives our decay process of aging, being the key mystery to the diseases we are prone to develop. Once we realized that DNA had a modular arrangement, genes, for these functions, they have been copied and pasted throughout microorganisms, trying to convert them with features and capacities by means of a set of techniques known as genetic engineering. The simplest example to how this works is the process by which a bacterium acquires the ability of becoming resistant to an antibiotic. We insert in its genetic material a gene that will allow it to thrive in a medium containing said antibiotic. For decades now, genetic engineering has served the greater purpose of research, and it has resulted in major breakthroughs and applications. With these processes as inspiration, genetic engineering has evolved to seek the ability to use these functional components to generate new features that are not naturally occurring. This new type of scientific approach is better known as synthetic biology. To this end, functional components have been proposed as building blocks, so-called biobricks, that when properly combined create new functions. Synthetic biology has become such a trend that students and researchers around the world gather each year in an international competition of synthetic biology. iGEM, International Genetically Engineered Machine, with its last edition hosting 314 teams and over 3,000 people. From these competitive projects, several interesting and important ideas have been pushed into commercial products. For instance, the iOD band from an undergraduate team that used a combination of biobricks for a diagnosis of cancer in early stages. This is just one example of how synthetic biology has the potential to address worldwide needs and issues, and the importance of encouraging scientific development in students.